What's up again, Speak My Mind family? God is good. God is great. All the time, you know, going up like age, we're not coming down. No matter what the naysayers them say, one nation people, we're going up like age. You don't know, in everything, everybody have them difference. Whether you're a stranger, you're a family or whatsoever. But I want to remember, Speak My Mind people, continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Press that thumbs up. Please to watch the ads and remember, me now stop sing it. It's a #1 song. Please go over to the backup channel. Life is a mission, and give me a subscription if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. The link will pin in the description. Will be in the description and it will be pinned in the comment section. So you just click on the link and hit that subscribe. Life is a mission. You know, the channel for all your reasoning, cook vlog, you know, yeah, family oriented channel. But Speak My Mind people, I want to remember, you know, I've been preaching this when I go talk about day in, day out with you know. Social media, you know, obviously say it's not a nice place, but guess what? Social media is like a soap opera place. Yeah. It's just all about soap opera. So you say all who sit down and wait for see the world, this, that done out of social media. It might done on phone end, but it shall continue upon a next side or somewhere else, some other avenue. But social media is a way of income for many of us. And there's a lot of people who achieve a lot from social media, get rich from social media, tell them story where them a come from until them buck up in a social media. Especially most YouTubers. Because when me sit down and me listen to Blue Gate, them tell them history. Where them a come from before social media, YouTube. Yeah. So, passa, we are going in a phone now, the little saga we are going here, so. Panda Enya will always be there. As soon as we feel like say one disappear, one appear. So, all you suck and spit out and all who up in might and Saddam might and BATT washer, BATT liquor, know where the BATT, yeah. Can go and sit down and pray for the downfall of the One Nation family. As me come and me tell you, there's a lot of people who I don't trust. You understand? Because there's a lot of these people who are saying, yes, me a real planka, me a straight planka me say. There's a lot of these people who are part-time planka, fake planka, non-planka. You understand? But them just a ride with a progressive wagon. Because they see how progressive the planka wagon is. So everybody try to attach on to it. So time will tell and prove who is genuine from who is not genuine. Because as I say, you cannot have your friend and your friend when you say you're dear to him and him dear to you or she dear to you or you do it dear to her. And one little thing or two little thing happen between the two of you. And you might not talk for a while or separate for a while. Because you don't know we are human being and we do our feelings. But during that little separation, you comes out wheeling with a sword sharp back and front to do damage. You couldn't be friend. Because all you have to do, or all you have to do, is just sit, go your separate ways, make sure him calm down or you calm down or whatsoever. Then, you know, take time to heal and the friendship will come back. So, as I say, friendship is something that goes a far way. But as I say, all of you happy might and sad might, you know, and BATT washer. Where figure more or less what happened between that shanty and landlord are something for to rejoice over, or something for to happy about. Remember, this is not the first time that shanty and landlord are got in a problem. And it won't be the last time. Because as me just telling you, this is social media. On top of that, social media reach a stage where it, you know, it bring forth income for a lot of us. Some might depend upon it fully, heart and soul. Some might just have it as a side job. Some might just have it as a hobby where them just tell themselves, okay, me can earn from it, so me can do it as a hobby. You understand? Yeah. So, drama go always in a social media because drama always sell. So, you can rejoice and jump up. This is nothing new between the shanty and landlord. You understand? So, all on the way I jump up, the Tina Chin, the Marcia, the wingless one, the rotten teeth. Just continue reel up and jump up. Because me no see way to help you no. It now make Puno kingdom grow. It now weaken planka nation. So, what not try to say? Remember, these two people is two people who we are aware of who will jump out of them skin at any time. So, we always, as real plankers, we always have we self and we P and we Q. Yeah, man. And as me say, Kingston 13. Me like, me dey on your platform this morning, and me like how you angle the situation. Yeah, you know, pick no side. You try to speak it as it is, just as how me would probably do it. You understand? If you have to tell that shanty say him, yeah, black up over there, so you tell him, and if you have to tell landlord say she never have to come out and say Ray, she could have weird. You do what you have to do. Me like how you angle the situation, or you talk on your platform this morning. You know? Yeah. Kudos to that. But my people, the main issue of this video, where they're not gonna be long because them your people here, trust me. You wingless ratbat, you wingless was. Me no want you come in and me comment and tell me what to do. You know I'm not picking big like me. Me have 50 plus. And I don't know if you have no kids. You understand? So how you come tell a big grown man like me what to do on my own platform? You think of your friend Lorraine platform this? When Miss Shit Bradshaw can come tell her what to do, Bob can say what to do, Dirty Cartoon can come tell her what to do. No boy or girl can come on that platform you come tell me what to do. My subscribers can make suggestions. Because without them, there is no platform. So I always have to give my subscribers respect. Especially my genuine subscribers when I say day in, day out in my comment. Yes, someone might not have the time sometime. Because we don't know it go. And all the while not have the time to draw off the phone. Sometimes someone watch some long time video when I post all probably 1-2 weeks ago and just find time for watch it. So I'm not feeling where I say in my comment every video I drop her every day. You don't understand what I say. Understand what I say. Because sometimes we come on the platform and we talk certain things, people take it personal, like them feel left out. No. We don't feel left out. Yeah, man. We don't need to feel left out. When we talk, we understand what we say. It just come like the song where Beanie Man did, you know. Simmer. Who's got the keys to my bima? Oh my. You understand? The girls, them sugar. I'm in a rush. Pass me the keys to my truck. And people blow it out of proportion. And fixed all them want to fix it in the fishy way. So the man say he's in a rush, pass me him keys to him truck and whatsoever. Like them did want him put a comma in this, you know, or a full stop in the song. So you have to just understand. When you have flow a certain way, you just flow. People with understanding and knowledge understand. But as me I say my people, this woman coming on my platform at what day she come and she comment. But some of you bloggers on everything you hear when you say. So how you hear everything on your talk? Why you hear everything and you jump up on your chat? You have bad teeth in your mouth will hurt you. You have to exercise your gum. So anything you see, you just chat. Where you don't know of. Then you will come now, since week, I post my video, you will come tell me about you want me to address you appropriately because me already get my views and me already got what I want, my subscription. Hell you! Go down there and meet your master, the devil. If you alone, nobody get no subscription, no subscribe, no subscribers on them channel, no views. Videos that I've done with you is some of the most lowest views I get on those videos. Because nobody recognize you. People despise you more than all them despise their leaders. Because of how you portray yourself, that's not how you comes out in the phone. So people despise you more than all them even despise their leaders, which is Laurie and Tina, and Marcy and all of them. So don't come full of yourself like say, you do nothing for nobody. And the same thing you go like, you do something for foreign woman. And this is what gets you in trouble with your friend. Because you chat too much. And anything when you chat is just because you're searching for views. So you come out and chat anything. Any crap come out of your mouth. Any filth. Or if you come tell me about, me know you from away, man. Me know you from away. More than me seeing, me never see a phone, I never know you. So say boy, me see you out the road, me can identify you. Probably the crouch back and the whole heap of pouch you have on your side here, so. Me might see and, me might say, but wait, somebody if you ever time, me see on one video, so. With the author herself, you come tell me about, me can't start address you properly now. Address you while you're wingless. And remember when I just start addressing you, when you just come in, when I just make that statement about hustling with the whole Dana Saga and Paul and Ray and the people in Mountain View, and you take it and blow it out of proportion, and I come forward, I did not address it in no derogative manner. More than I say, well, she a bees. Because I'm a comedian, So I say, she a bees. She call herself bees, but you're not bees. Because bees are something we produce. You're a wasp. Wasp don't produce. So don't come call yourself a wasp. Then me change it again and I say, Ratty. You come out and you come swinging off of somebody and I say, Ratty, that's the right name. Me give you a wasp. Because bees only sting one time, but see you sting like wasp, yeah, are the right name. Then you come back at me and I said, you're a wingless rat bat. And me remember which video you do now. And I come out and say, I move it from a wingless wasp to a wingless rat bat to a wingless drunkro. I mean, I'm my own big man, I'm free to say what I want to say. Just like I'm free to say and post what I want to post in a phone. And when your friends out there, when your friends are out there on them platform and disrespect people in all kind of derogative ways and discrimination and criticism, everything bad. A woman against a woman, you don't say nothing at all. See me here, thin sin there. The old quirky, the old empty dancehall crate. We pass on like flyers and throw down like empty buckle in a dancehall. Come out and a discriminate princess. And go on like she don't know, well, this woman have a health issue. And after she done discriminate the woman and call her dog and puppy and all kind of something. Look at her. She come out now and say, I wonder if she have a health issue. Because I don't want to really attack her if she have a health issue, because that is beyond anybody at all. That is, anybody can be sick. And she was the first one to jump. I wonder if she have the C, the big C. And then somebody comment and talk about, yes, she is a survivor of cancer or whatsoever. So basically, it seems like you know everything already, but you just come and crucify the woman. And you, Jennifer Barron, refuse to own your name. Wingless Jankro. Wingless wasp, wingless rat bat. Come in and say, oh, you're going to stop me from calling you that. You understand? No see them something if you come out, come talk about. But as other people do what them fi do, you come out, come talk. You in a phone and every day talk about, Lord, I want done it, these mix up, I can't take it no more. And I thank God for doing. I want to hope him keep it up. He says moving away from it. And I want to tell you, yes, I'm glad for him. I want to help him keep it up. You want to see peace in a social media every day, come and preach that. And as me say, it's just because you see, say you're not getting no views from the whole situation and saga we are going on social media when everybody else is above you. I am a Rasta for life. Foreign woman, what is below you is not even monetized channel. It's above you. Even when them touch on the topic of this whole saga we are going. But here still you have a monetized channel. When you touch on those topics, your views is nowhere because you have not, you're not being recognized because of how you portray yourself. If you just come natural and be yourself, it no matter what side of the fence there, you'd have been seeing some form of views. But real people don't like fake people. Be yourself, and this is what me like about myself and others. Even Auntie Dana, when me see, she be herself. If she wipe her nose on the phone, she not, oh, hold on a minute. And hide herself a wipe. She wipe her nose on the phone. Who want to go with it? I said she nasty and she this and she that. She be herself. And this is what people supposed to be in life. Be yourself. Because anytime you try to be somebody else, problem I go there. One way or the other, problem is going to there. You come boy, you want peace, peace, peace. And as it mix up them drop, you come out on your page. And you talk all kind of sitting. Your last 3 communities all about mix up. Your last 3 community posts is all about mix up. Your last 2 video, the one before this last one, yeah. You go dig up a whole story we're gone how long. You understand? Fresher one there with Spice and RT Boss, you know, dig up that one there and post it. Because probably you never see that one there, or you want to rewind back from day one and come forward with a story. And I go put up an old tape long while with RT Boss and Spice. And mix up that, you know, and you avoid mix up. Because RT Boss, in the phone, I talk up all the things with Spice and Vibes Cartel and where and one bag of something. And that's how you put up on your page. And that is what you say you run from the mix up. So all because it's not the 99 and over the fence and the planka nation and this nation and where, you feel like that's not mix up? See it, yeah? I go read them 2 community posts here. I did not read the one about me when I know says about me. I come like, yeah, I'll drop one lately. Guys, please pray for me. I have backslidden. I could not help myself. I briefly came out of hiding, made a video, and ran back for a cover. Forgive me, Lord. And this is what you have been doing from last year. Claim say you take yourself for a few days or a few weeks on social media, then you run your comments, your community, and you post all kind of things. You understand? See next one I know. Okay, Miss Princess. She cuss out Nakilet. Is that enough to disqualify her? Let's see the hypocrisy play out right in front of us. Wait for it. You see it? 2 mix up that. You go in your community with. Because you're not really talented like that for me create a video and a content on the thing. You know? You just go in your community and write because it's more easier for you to get across your message. Did I not say she would come up? This is another one, you know. The 3rd community post this. Me not talk about even my one before. Did I not say she would come up with an explosive reasoning not to go to the award show? Erica, you win the Grammy, girl. You play them all, Erica. You get money, food, clothes, and most importantly, you get a visa out of them. Biggest scam of all times. No, sir. This recently post. No, this is 16 hours ago. This are the recently one now. Let me read it because I just see that one here. I know convinced 85% of Dana followers and fake plankers really do not like Harry. Everybody that curse her, curse? No, sorry. I am now convinced 85% of Dana followers and fake plankers really do not like her. Everybody that curse her get enough big ups, hearts and pretty scream by the same people that say Auntie Dana to the world. Ha ha ha. Uno wicked bad poor. No, wicked bad poor Dana. No sir. Erica subscription went up. Go figure. Go figure. I don't know what she mean when she say go figure. I don't know what she mean. But this is what me I try to show you. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, me miss all one ya. New war. Uno run go hide. Me gone. No sir. 5 community posts in less than 24 hours, which is 1 day. 24 hours make 1 day. And she make 5 community posts where mix up is concerned. And our last 2 video that she posts on her channel, it's all about mix up because she repost the Ashanti cursing out Erica. And before that, she do the mix up one whole steel video with Spice and RT Boss. And this is a person, my people. We come up every day on them platform about peace. And I'm tired to see the war. I see the die when the war, she have a little voice. I don't know where she get it from. When the war stop in social media and you people live like big people and stop curse out to no one another in derogative manner. You might not come in at the phone and cuss nobody in derogative manner, but you are in support. You are not the tree itself that bear fruits, but you are the fertilizer that enhance that tree to bear the fruit. So no feel like say you're not coming on phone, come tell nobody underneath them black, how the underneath them stay, and how them ugly, and how them shape, and how them this. You're not a big part of it. You're even more than that person because you are the person that is watering the root of that tree for it to come to perfection. You are the person that is fertilizing the crop for it to bear and bear wonderful fruits. So you can get up and yes, and find content to come on your platform with. And then when it not work out, you come and you ball for peace. And as me say me people, she a ball for peace because she in the same saga and her views barely can pass 500. The last time she get like a 2,000 or 1,000 odd views, and when she come deeper into the mix up and start call Dana, and when she put out the Dana video with Marcia Campbell, the party, and Marcia, yeah. But when she stay at this level and this scale where she there, she can't pass 500. And when she look and see 2 non-monetized channel, which is a foreign woman, and I am a Rasta for life, I reach all them 6, them 5, them 700. And them subscription I go up. She come out, and that's the reason why she getting a problem, because she jealous of them moving and I advance towards her. So she start feel some type of way. So she have to come out now and show up. See it? Like she try to tell you, say, okay, this is what you have to do. This is a Jennifer Barron where her name have been calling from last year. And she denied that she name, so she don't know who name. So how would them call Jennifer? And at the other time, she come on her platform and give away her own self by calling her name. Just recently with the Marcia situation, she come and she say Marcia call her at times on the phone and say, Jennifer, she give herself again. And this is the same person who refuse and deny owning her name. When the people them say she do this and she do that and she do every little thing where her name call upon, she say no she. But every day you come in a phone a ball for peace. You're tired of the mix up, you're glad doing done with it. As where him say want to hope him live on and go through with him words. But at the same time, as the mix up drop, you know, Lord Ginger fly and fly if you fly upon it. You drop on it like maggot. And a fly bring forth maggot. But you present yourself as a maggot before the fly even pitch. Because the fly have your pitch on the old dead carcass and rotten meat and something, you know. And then when the fly lay the egg, here comes the maggot hatch, you know. But you are the you reach it before the fly. You becomes a maggot before the fly even lay the egg for hatch a maggot. And then come a cuss about this and that, and you're tired of this and you're tired of that. Look at your community. 4 posts, not in less than 1 day. It's all about mix up. Your 2 last video that you post, it's mix up. You are not the first person I really see with the Ashanti life, because I think me I go to my phone last night and click on Ashanti and hear him come out with it. But away from him, you are the first vlogger me see post it up, repost it. And you a ball about mix up and a ball about everything. And you keep reposting the mix up. You keep fueling the mix up. Cut your eye past the mix up. But the people them are be true to themselves and be themselves and be a part of the mix up. Whether them analyze the mix up, or them a part of the cuss, or them a part of the bring down, you are tell them to stop. But yet still you are do it. They might be true to themselves, but you are be fake to yourself. But don't come back no me comment, come tell me nothing. You know, pick the big like on me. Me could have probably old on you, or you probably just 2 year old on me, or me my 2 year old on you. And you don't have no pick the big like me. Probably you don't even have a chick nor a child. You understand? If you come and tell me about address you appropriately, who is you? Don't do that. Because you don't want me to style you more. The next time you try that, it's going even worse than what me I do now. So just hold on upon your wingless rat bat, your wingless drunkro, your wingless was. And don't make me go further with it. Because if you don't really come out and behave a certain way, I'm not going to disrespect you in a certain way, honestly. But like Tina, Cartoon, Lorraine, and Mishit Bacha, me not afraid to put my mouth a gun and call them any name. When me feel like call them discriminating, derogative or what. Once it's okay with YouTube. Speak my mind, people. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please to press that thumbs up and remember to watch the ads. And please remember the backup channel. You understand? Thank you all for watching again. I'm out. Speak my mind entertainment.